Hello and welcome to this week's edition of the Mid-Vancouver Island Real Estate Update. I'm Debbie Simmonds with eXp Realty. Well, this report is for the week of March 22nd, the first week of spring. So spring is officially here, which is always fantastic news for the listing end of the market. I'll share my screen and show you what the heck happened this week. Here we go. Another extremely busy week in the market, a market driven by many things, which we'll discuss in a moment. So we had 50 new listings in this last week in our market area of Crofton, Chemaina, Saltaire, and Ladysmith. Of the 50 new listings, the lowest priced one was a $230,000 mobile home on Cecil Street in Crofton. And I have a new listing, beautiful ocean view condo, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on Daniel Street, listed at $319,900. And then there were 13 new sales this week, accepted offers that have removed their subjects, so they're sold solid. There was a 1-bedroom apartment, ocean view apartment in Ladysmith on Bayview that went for $263,000. A lot in Ladysmith went for $275,000. Everything else in between, right up to 1.15 million for waterfront in Ladysmith. There were 4 properties that changed hands and completed this week, and 2 that expired, 2 listings that expired. So if you want any information on any more information on any of those, give me a call. I can give you a lot of detail on each one of those, either whether it's a new listing or a new sale, so you can try to understand what your value is worth on your property or whatever. Many things driving this market still. It's going to continue. I listen to a lot of analysts. It seems to me like this is going to continue about another 3 years, 2 to 3 years, before the feds in the US decide to raise interest rates. So that is really fueling this, along with COVID. So still those small acreages are just flying off the shelf. The high end is flying off the shelf, which is unusual for our area. So this says a lot about our market and about how cheap money is right now and how many off-island buyers we're attracting at the moment. So yeah, it's just extremely heating up the market. Now it's a beautiful sunny day today. This is when people really start to get their yards in shape and start to list for real. So look forward to a lot of new listings starting to come on now. We're a bit late. Usually it's around March 1st for massive amounts to come on because of, we have had a little bit of a cold snap here. So going from now to the end of May, there'll be more and more listings coming online, especially in May. That's our big listing month. We have a massive amount of buyers. This is why our prices are leaping and bounding so high, and that almost every listing is getting multiple offers and going, quite a bit over ask. So supply and demand curve are severely out of whack still. Analysts are saying this isn't going to end for 2 or 3 years. So if you're thinking of waiting to buy, don't. You're going to be paying a lot more with every passing month that goes by. If you're a seller, different circumstances that sell, estate sales, things need to be sold quickly in some instances, but in any case, like the stock market, when you know you're getting near the top, that's the time to do a bit of profit taking. If it's your family home and you're thinking of moving sooner because of what COVID has done, well, a lot of people are doing that too. They're making decisions sooner than they thought they were going to make. Anyway, supply chain disruptions continue. The cost of building materials are doubling and tripling. The price of wood will go up 50 cents overnight per MFBM, per footboard measure. Lack of supply due to disruption and so on. And this is also driving prices higher and causing more lack of affordability in the new housing market. Things are just slower to get done, slower to get completed. Anyway, that is your report for this week. And I am here and happy to help you with all of your real estate needs. Debbie Simmonds, eXp Realty, 250-246-0708. Professional, caring, kind.